All right, guys, we're back, and I'm gonna show you another knife slash tool roll that I just picked up, and we're gonna give you the dimensions and take a quick look and see how it goes. Let's get it unwrapped and get the dimensions. All right, here you go, and it's got inner flap and a fold down. All right, so I picked this one because it's black and it's unbranded. I also picked it because I like the size. It's got only 4 pouches and it's got a Velcro closure when you roll it up. So let me get you the measurements here real quick. It's nice and easy because it's 7 by 7. The pockets are about 1.5 inches wide and about 4 inches tall. All right, so just to show you real quick, I've got 2 mechanic magnets, and I'm just gonna pop them in. Fold it up and roll it up. There you go. It says Oxford cloth, but it's got to be nylon, so nice and strong, durable. Nice little pouch, unbranded, black, 4 pockets. I'll link this down below if you are interested. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps. Peace.